How long have you worked and in gym?
I have worked here for 3 years.
What is your role or passion are?
I am a personal trainer and I also help at the reception when needed.
What types of activity or service do you provide and the gym?
We offer personal training, group plays, nutritional advice, and work routine.
Have you improved your professional skill over time?
Yes, I have improved a lot thanks to experiments and training tools.
What challenges have you faced in the in-hop?
One of the bike's challenges is motivating clients to stay consistent and reach their goals.
What qualifications do you need for this job?
You need a certification in fitness training and fitness hour, health and exercise.
What is a typical day like for you?
I train clients, create workout plans, and something assist with gym maintenance.
What advice do you give to new gym members?
I advance this
What advice do you give to new gym members?
and follow a balanced routine.
What are your future goals in this profession?
I want to continue learning and might open my home gym one day.
Thank you for your time. You're welcome. Thank you.